Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to attach your leather loop to your AirTag, how to change the battery, and if you ever need to, how to remove your AirTag from the leather loop. First, we take our leather loop, we're going to go ahead and peel this adhesive backing from the leather loop AirTag, and then I like to start on the back side of the AirTag. We'll go ahead and line it up. Loop should fit perfectly on the back, and then do the other side. Try to get it as much in the center as you can, and there you go. Loop should stay nice and secure with that 3M adhesive. And then if you ever want to change the battery, you can do so. It might be a little difficult, but you don't have to do it often. And here's how to do it. So on the back side of your AirTag, take both of your thumbs and press down, and then twist counterclockwise. The backing should pop up, and then you can go ahead and grab your battery out of there. Lastly, if you ever want to remove your AirTag from the loop, all you have to do is simply peel the loop off of the AirTag, like that, both sides. It may leave some residue on your AirTag, but you can wipe it off with a cloth or a rag. And one thing to note, if you ever do remove your leather loop, you can't reuse it. The adhesive is really good only for one time, so keep that in mind if you ever want to consider removing your AirTag from the loop. We hope that this video helped you. If it did, drop a comment down below on what color AirTag you're gonna get. As always, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for all things Nomad. Thanks guys.